Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy medical malpractice claims with Morgan & Morgan step by step clearly. To begin your medical malpractice claim with Morgan & Morgan, gather all relevant medical records. This includes any treatment documentation, test results, and physician's notes. Compile a detailed description of the incident, including what happened, when, and who was involved. Next, identify the medical professionals or facilities you believe may be responsible for the malpractice. Write down a timeline of events to clarify the sequence of actions taken during your treatment. After that, reach out to Morgan & Morgan's intake team through their website or phone number. Provide them with the information you've gathered about your case. Be prepared to answer questions regarding the details of the incident and your medical history. Once your initial consultation is set, review your case with a dedicated attorney from Morgan & Morgan. Discuss the specifics of your situation, including any injuries or complications you have faced. Your attorney will evaluate whether you have a valid claim based on the information provided. If your claim qualifies, the next step involves submitting a formal complaint. With your attorney's guidance, you'll file this complaint in the appropriate court. After filing, both parties will engage in a discovery phase to exchange information and evidence. Prepare for potential mediation or settlement discussions, as many cases are resolved before going to trial. If necessary, your attorney will represent you in court to pursue your claim. Throughout this process, stay in close communication with your attorney for updates and further instructions. Once a resolution is reached, review the settlement or court decision carefully before finalizing anything. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.